Hello guys, and today I am just going to try to get these things are real, and right now I'm just putting them on, so yeah, okay, I'm trying to get these off, so yep, okay. I do not have the keys with me right now, so, yep, okay, let's tighten them up, okay. So guys, they're all tied up, so now I'm going to try to, take them off, okay. Can I slide them off? Nope. Got these off. So, yep. Now try these things off. Okay. Okay, guys. So I cannot take this off right now. So I think I have to try to pick it. Okay. Okay, I have something. Okay, just got them off. So hopefully you like that video. Please smash that big fat like button and subscribe. And see you next time. And peace out, guys, and goodbye.